Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to update the Samsung phone software, and I'll show you how to do this with the system software as well as the app. So let's go to the top right and go to settings, and then scroll on all the way down to the bottom, go to About Phone. Tap this and then scroll on down under here, and we want to go to where it says software update and select this. Then we can go to download and install, and it will check for a software update. So if you got one, it should update under here. So it looks like we're set. So we can just go back to the home screen. That's how you update the software there. Then you can go to the Google Play Store, and then we can just go back to the main menu on the Google Play Store. And then just go to your profile on the top right. Go to where it says Manage Apps and Device. And there should be an option to update right here for all your different apps. So you can hit Update All in the top right. So you can update your apps and then update your system software too. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.